Sleep, probably.
Oh, that's a classic.
Oh, you didn't have a jaw shot, did you?
No.
Yeah.
I've never looked at a Hoover salesman and said, you just got a grin when you see a Hoover.
No, he's got a smile on his face.
Love of my life.
Hey.
Micro attachments.
For the less fortunate one. You know, he's like using one of the rusher on the end. I thought you were red and black.
Spider, what?
That was good.
Oh.
That was good.
Oh, we're bust along, everyone stop. I just bought a chrome one about 3 weeks ago. Oh, good for you. Yeah.
Good for you.
How's it working?
That son of a bitch sucks pretty good.
Things are up. Spend much time in the garage. That thing never shut off.
Sure, you're that vacuum on all the time.
You'd think the floor would be a little cleaner out here.
It's always in the wood back. Oh my God, why did that hurt? That's why Sarah got so confident when I hung the grill poster up in the garage.
Oh, God.
Hey, do you need a filter with this?
No. That's where you want to get that extended warranty. They're coming over and check it out.
You don't want to replace this, it's full. Hey, I guarantee that if you wonder if you got micro wouldn't show up.
Give a call.
Good Lord.
Wow.
Oh, that was a very good roll.
Yeah, I agree. Look at that burnt down.
Good till the end. Yeah, I think that's about it for that one.
Wow. The Hoover.
Wow.
So it got hot in here all of a sudden. I hear you. Yeah, we just about beat that one to death.
Oh my God, did that hurt?